I didn't expect people to be like so excited. Like in the beginning, there were cheerleaders, you know, people were clapping as you were walking down the escalators. So it's like a very like comfortable and homey feel.
Y'all understand that y'all's Chipotle Bite is one that we are serving today.
I'm here today with Wild Mike's and my chefs and to help create the Chipotle Chicken Cheezy Bite and trying out samples, but really just seeing people try our cheesy bite.
This is the first time that they've ever been shown to such a mass audience and everything like that.
When I was told I was coming to a food show, I didn't know what to expect. I've never been before.
That looks good.
So I just thought it was gonna be like people and they were just showcasing like what they want to sell, or it's like just like, you know, proposals.
It's going to be served in schools nationwide, right? These are amazing.
Our goal with having them here at the food show is to help them understand that being in the culinary arts isn't just being in the back of the house at a restaurant. It's talking at R&D with a manufacturer. It's talking with a school district. So it's not just this one little kind of pigeonhole that you get put into, but it could be something even more broad that they might not even know about.
It's a lot, isn't it?
It is.
I think it's amazing. First of all, you're getting kids involved in what they're eating, and that's the most important thing, is having them have an interest and to make something for other people.
Where are you guys from? Where you live?
We're from Houston.
It's very motivating for me to see this, and it gives me a lot of hope for new culinary students coming in.
It's not just kitchen. You know, we're talking about 2035, deep into the technology, and there's the world is your oyster. They just graduated. It's a perfect time for them to network, meet other people, and see what the world can offer them. So I love them checking out the other opportunities. That's my favorite thing about this experience.